Burna Boy, the winner of the best. In fact, this one they do me. Now the winner of the best global music album for Grammy. Hi! When the medal they enter body, enter body. My people, this guy just they make us. In fact, make I not to say us. I don't know about now. He just they make me proud. Like if I they see I'm alone, my body like the temperature they rise. Oh for now we don't know what to be Grammy and all those plenty things. Now award where they present for recording academy. And this one now worldwide, no be just Africa, no be this one. They recognize all the achievement for the music industry. Now they call Burna Boy. Oh, I beg. See, my body they torturing me. Oh, you torturing me one time. So, Burna, I beg. See, my people, I don't bring and call aside because this one now my pepperompo. I don't bring a phone. Now we don't know who be Burna Boy. I know everybody know Asha, but I beg, join me, make we watch our winner.
Africa, we're in the house. You get me? This is a big win for my generation of Africans all over the world. And this should be a lesson to every African out there. No matter where you are, no matter what you plan to do, you can achieve it.
It's Chokuna. You know Chokuna finally. Oh, see. I know feel shout. Make una help me shout. I know feel shout. This one I better do with the jackpot, Me I no get time I the jackpot. My people, I beg you deserve her. He deserve. See, if you know say you they watch me and this thing they do you somehow, if they turn your belly, you they feel. I beg go look for Transformer Hogamo. Because this one we never even start. We are just this is just the starting point. Burna Boy no be anybody mate oh. No looking like that. This now today. Hey, they no rich. You no be anybody mate. No, call their names. No, start they call their names. You know they give us unique music since. Unique. From day one. This guy don't they show us. No, if una know say if una see better thing, make una learn to appreciate them. This guy don't walk, you don't walk. I beg go kiss wall, go do. In fact, hit your head for wall. Burna Boy don't win and he win. Winners focus on winning. They know they do shake me. Sorry, I no mention name, I no talk anything, I just say I beg Africa is blessed. Now only our government be our problem. Africa. No, you check them. This is a worldwide. Where they can select Nigeria this year. Africa. We are talented. Now we they spoil our thing by ourselves. Only if our leaders no say this thing. Talking of leaders self. I hear say Lai Mohammed even send congratulation message. I be letter to my baby boy. Lai Mohammed, I will put that letter. Maybe they see her first. Now they see her. Now Lai Mohammed, oh, he send them congratulating Burna Boy. Hey, congratulations on your this. I will bring this man outside. You be like say you won't spoil my mood, my jollification mood. So abduction they go on. You still get time to send letter, congratulation letter. With all the things where they happen for this country, you no go sit down, make you just say, okay, waiting me next. You they send Burna Boy a letter of congratulations. No people now want ban music before. Let us ban music. Let us ban music. Now you know they ban music. Now you they congratulate music. Burna Boy, congratulations. Wait, how many times una they play Burna Boy music for NTA? How many? No talk now. Why they look me like that? They come outside now. Congratulations. We no agree. We are not accepting it. In fact, take him out. Take him out before my mood goes spoil. Because today I dey jollification mood. So, in fact, any weapon from against my jollification mood will not prosper in Jesus' name. Ha! I refuse it. No government, no politician will spoil it. My Burna. I beg, my pepperoni pepperepe. Congratulations. In fact, this night is the night. Wait till I don't talk anything. I just talk say this night is the night. My one and only African giant. In fact, any other African giant, na counterfeit. They no reach. From 101 TV, from Madam Aproko, we say we love you, Burna Boy, and congratulations. More grease to your elbow. My people, you deserve a maybe. No, this guy good now. In voice, they unique. In music, they unique. The beat alone, they no, you know what me will start. In dressing, they unique. You see Burna Boy, you don't need to start the ask say who be that guy we stand there. You know, in dressing, I will not even start to go that corner. Now the matter say make a brief for now because I know say many of you never hear them before. So in na the winner, Grammy winner. I'm proud in you, my brother. I better start to drop the comment for that comment section and make sure say you share this video. This one, everybody must hear say Africa na the best. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you could get updated for matters like this? Stay tuned for our next story.